Thank you for purchasing my Tesla Model X cargo cover hinge designed for my Ideas to Reality shop. When your package arrives, there will be 4 pieces. 2 for the driver's side and 2 for the passenger's side. You would attach the 2 sides together. It is optional to add superglue to have these 2 parts permanently together. Next, you would remove your cargo cover from your Model X. For the 5-seater Model X, you will need a plastic card and slide about half of the card in between the leather panel and the fuzzy felt. Starting from the bottom, slide the bottom of the flat piece into the leather panel and fuzzy felt. Then slide the top of the flat piece between the leather panel and the plastic card. Remove the plastic card. Follow the steps for the other side. For the 6 and 7-seater Model X, apply the Velcro here. Then slide the flat piece in between the leather panel and the fuzzy felt. Follow the steps for the other side. Once both sides are installed, you can put back the cargo cover and insert it into both hinges. It should open like this. Congratulations, the installation is now complete. Please message me if you have any questions. Thank you again.